Title*: Trump's New York civil fraud trial continues amidst legal battles. Greetings, Super News subscribers. In a recent update, former President Donald Trump's civil fraud trial in New York faces intense scrutiny. Despite his attempts to halt proceedings, an appeals court judge rejected Trump's bid to pause the trial. This decision comes after Judge Arthur Engoron's ruling that could lead to the dissolution of entities controlling Trump's iconic properties, including Trump Tower. Trump's lawyers argued for a fair trial, fearing widespread implications on defendants and employees. While Trump denies any wrongdoing, the trial presses on. Notably, former Trump Organization controller Jeffrey McConney testified, shedding light on misrepresented property values. The trial resumes with Trump's finance chief, Alan Weisselberg, on the stand. Stay tuned for updates. Subscribe to Super News, share our content, and hit the notification bell for the latest news. Remember, this report was crafted by the Super News team. Thank you for your support and stay informed. Conclusion: This legal battle highlights the importance of transparency and accountability. Despite challenges, justice prevails. Let's continue sharing truth and knowledge. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to Super News, share our updates, and activate notifications for more insightful news coverage.